Closer by Sam Fender is played in D standard tuning with all of the strings dropped down a whole step. We're going to be looking at the song here in standard tuning so you can learn the song without having to detune your guitar. For the intro, we're going to pick the high E string open, going to the 3rd fret with the 3rd finger on the B string. And then we're going to play our first chord in the song, an E minor 9 chord. We have the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. This finger is also going to be muting that D string. We've got the 2nd finger on the high E string at the 2nd fret, and the 3rd finger stays where it was there on the 3rd fret of the B string. The rest of the strings are open. We're going to strum down twice on this. And then we're going to pick the high E string, the 2nd fret here, and then move to a D major chord. So it's really only this 1st finger that's moving down 2 string sets, and we'll continue there picking B and G. So the 2 strums on the E minor, and the high E string, B, we'll move to the D, and we're picking 2nd fret on the G string there. And we'll pick the high E string again, go into open, 3rd fret on the B string. So from the intro, one more time. We're then going to go to an A sus4 chord. So the 3rd finger stays where it is on the 3rd fret of the B string. And we have the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D and the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. We're going to strum down, 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 down. Pick the high E string open, B, G, and then we're going to pick the A string open, and again, hammering onto 2nd, and then twice on the D string. So the 4 strums, down, up, down, down, E, B, G, A, then the A again with the hammer on, and the D twice. So that bar slowly, the A chord, the A sus4. One more time. And the whole thing slowly from the intro with the 2 picking notes. E minor 9, down, down, E, B, D chord. Swap it to the A sus4, E, B, G, A. And then we're going to go back through the E minor 9 chord. This time we've got the down, up, down. And we're kind of aiming for the E and A strings here. Down, up, down, and then a full strum right across the whole chord. So down, up, down, full strum. Then the picking's exactly the same. E, B, swapping to that D chord, 2nd fret on the G, and then the high E string to open to 3rd. So. Then we've got a nice little pattern that goes from an A7 chord, so we have 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the D, and 3rd finger, 2nd fret on the B, and we're going to strum down, down, up, 1 and nana. Move into 3 and 4, 4 on the D, 3 on the B. So strumming, down, up, 5 and 5 on the D and B. Same strumming, up to 7 and 7, same strings. So 1 and nana, 2 and nana, 3 and nana, 4 and nana. And then we go back through the pattern on repeat. We're just going to miss out the kind of picking intro on the E, B. So every time we go through from this point on, we'll have the bass note strumming on the E minor 9 part, that down, down, full strum. So from there on out, it'll be down, down, strum, swap to the D chord, A chord, same again. And we play that on repeat. The chorus in this song is based around the same kind of chords, although the E minor 9 is swapped out for an E minor 7 chord, and we are going to swap to strumming too. So for the E minor 7 chord, we've got down, 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 up, D chord, same strumming, into an A sus4 chord, and play through that twice. Last time through, we go to that little run. 2 and 2 on the D and B, 3 and 4 on the D and B, and then 5 and 5 and 7 and 7. Okay, so slowly we have the E minor 7, down, 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 D, A sus4 twice, back to the E minor 7, D, and the run.